Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Razr 60 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option which is called Security and Privacy. Let's tap. Then scroll all the way down and go to More Security and Privacy. And here scroll all the way down again to find Encryption Credentials. Now, almost at the very bottom of the screen, we've got the option we're looking for, so Clear Credentials. Let's tap on it and confirm it by tapping on OK. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.